Welcome to my backyard. It's Cindy here. I'm going to show you a little bit about how our online virtual PD is set up to hopefully get you set up to successfully complete our virtual session. So I'm here in our online classroom, in our Google Classroom, and I am on the classwork tab. We have everything set up in here linearly from top to bottom. So if you start here, the first part is going to be taking a look at some professional books with pedagogy in online, virtual, and hybrid type settings. So the first thing you'll do here in this professional book section is watch this little intro video that's going to tell you what specifically we're looking to do with this part of the workshop. And then once you've done that, there is another brief video here that shows you how to get into these online books, these ebooks. You need a username and password. So the second little video shows you how you can access these books. So that's the first part. The professional book takeaway is also explained in the direction video here. So these first two sections go together. Next, we have some national standards for quality online teaching. That's going to be the second piece of our virtual workshop. And again, if you go to the first thing listed there, there's a little video that explains what is happening specifically for this section. And the third part, we have some interviews and also some sample lessons from our teachers in Indiana that Heather worked with and interviewed. They are experienced e-learner teachers, e-teachers, doing some type of virtual online remote learning since 2014 in their district. And you can read and learn some more about them from this About section here, and also what Heather has written and provided for us in a little introductory video, as well as the interviews are there for you to peruse as well. And then the last part in the Indiana Teachers section are some sample lessons and ideas that the teachers were willing to share with us. And the third, or well, I guess we're up to four now. The last part is going to be, we're going to take the ideas that you've shared throughout the other sections in our online classroom, and we're going to synthesize a list of what best practices in online learning look like. And then we're going to provide some technologies that you can use to best support those specific practices. So stay tuned for that part after we give you a little bit of time to work on the first couple sections that are here. If you have questions or if you need our help, the best way to reach us is initially via email, and then we will gladly help you by either answering the email or seeing if we can set up a Google Meet session if needed, or some other way that we can help you through the workshop. Please do not hesitate to reach out with any problems or issues or any questions that you might have. We're always around in some way, shape, or form to answer your questions and help you out, even though we won't have any scheduled live sessions. If you find that you need help with something, we can certainly figure something out for you. We look forward to working with you. Thank you for signing up.